Welcome back to Digital Dive, and today we're diving into the ultimate budget speaker battle of 2025, comparing the newly released JBL Charge 6 with the surprisingly impressive Sony XB100 and helping you decide which one deserves your money under $100. If you're all about that bass punch and outdoor performance, then the JBL Charge 6 brings some serious heat with its improved dual passive radiators, slightly deeper bass, and up to 24 hours of playtime, making it perfect for parties, road trips, and backyard BBQs. But Sony isn't backing down, because the XB100 may be smaller, but it packs a punch with its upward-facing full-range driver, delivering crisp mids and highs that really stand out in vocals and podcasts. Plus, it now includes sound diffusion processor technology, which gives it a wider soundstage despite its compact size. When it comes to design, the Charge 6 follows JBL's rugged and colorful DNA with an IP67 rating, making it fully waterproof and dustproof, while the XB100 also holds an IP67 rating but comes in a more minimalistic matte finish and includes a detachable strap, making it more travel-friendly. Now let's talk about connectivity and features, because this is where JBL Charge 6 takes a slight lead, offering Bluetooth 5.3 for better energy efficiency and lower latency, support for multi-point connections, and USB-C charging with reverse power bank support, which is a game changer if you're on the go. Meanwhile, Sony's XB100 sticks to Bluetooth 5.0 with a more basic connection setup, but it wins big in voice clarity thanks to the built-in microphone and echo cancellation, which the JBL lacks. So if you take calls on your speaker or use it for Zoom meetings, the XB100 may be more practical. Audio quality-wise, the JBL has deeper lows with better volume output thanks to its bigger build, while the XB100 shines with cleaner highs and more balanced mids, which makes it better suited for vocal-heavy content or acoustic sessions. Battery life on both is excellent, but JBL wins with 24 hours compared to Sony's 16, though real-world usage might differ based on volume and connectivity settings. When it comes to price, JBL's MSRP sits at $99, while the Sony XB100 retails around $59 but frequently drops to $49 during deals or sales, making it a steal for casual listeners. So which one should you buy in 2025? If you want loud booming sound, long battery life, and rugged outdoor use, the JBL Charge 6 is the better pick, especially for party lovers. But if you need a super portable, clear sounding speaker that fits in your backpack and is great for podcasts or travel, then the Sony XB100 might just be the underdog winner. Both are great, but it comes down to what you prioritize: more sound power or portability. Let me know in the comments which one you'd choose and why. Don't forget to like this video if it helped and subscribe to Digital Dive for more honest tech comparisons every week. See you in the next one.